guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arapana if you're new, and on my channel I do a lot of fashion videos, try on hauls, styling videos, lifestyle, and occasional beauty, motherhood content as well. If that sounds like something you would be interested in, I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. If you love H&M, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up because today's video is an H&M try-on haul. I have some accessories to show you, I have some pants to show you, and I have, of course, tops to show you. But before we get started with today's try-on haul, I just want to shout out a small business owner. She's fairly new and she is someone I went to high school with, and she generously sent over 2 of her items, and one of these items she helped customize with me and I love the way it turned out. The other item is something she does have listed on her website, so she can work with you if you have something in mind that you want her to bring to life. I will have all her information linked down below in my description box. I will have her website and I will have her Instagram page, and I will also link the exact items down below except for this one. This is the first item because I did customize this one with her, but she can definitely recreate it for you. Just message her on Instagram and let her know that you saw this mug on my channel and you really like it. So this mug is actually for my mom. So as you can see here, there's a grandmother here, and this one is Alea, and this one is supposed to be Aria. So it says Alea, Grandma, Aria. These are my girls' names. I love the way this mug came out. It looks so nice. It exceeded my expectations. It's beautiful, and on this side it says life is better with grandkids. This mug is just beautiful. I'm going to gift this to my mom. She is going to love this. You can of course create something like this for Father's Day because Father's Day is coming up, so this is a really great idea, gift idea for grandma, grandpa, dad, uncle, like whoever. You can even do like maybe godfather or something like that. That would be super cute as well. So yeah, this is a really nice gift idea. That's what it looks like on the inside. The next item I received from her is this really nice sweatshirt. The quality feels really nice and it's somewhere between like medium and thick. This does come in t-shirt forms as well, so you don't have to get a sweatshirt because I know it is getting a little bit warmer now. Let me bring it a little bit closer so you can see. So as you see here, it says mama, so this is the mama bear, and then down here we have Alea, and then we have Aria as well. So you can fit your kid's name in here. If you want to get this for an aunt, you can put like aunt and then like the nieces or nephews' names. This sweatshirt does come in other colors. This background color comes in other colors as well, so this would make a really great gift for anyone in your life. So on her website she does have bags as well that she personalizes. She has toddler, babies, kids clothing that she can personalize. So once again, thank you Joanna for sending over these pieces. I love them. They exceeded my expectations. They are beautiful and I love how personalized and sentimental they are. And if any of you are interested in any of these items I've shown or anything I've shown on her website, just please go ahead, click on her website. Again, it's linked down below in my description box. You can also DM her if you have like a vision in mind that you want her to recreate to bring to life for you. So with all of that being said, let's move on to the H&M haul. Guys, it is super hot in here and I keep sneezing, so I am sorry if I look super duper extra oily. It's like 80 something degrees. My AC isn't installed, and if it was, it would be too loud to film with the AC on, so please bear with me in this heat. And I had to keep the window closed because you guys know I live in New York and it is super duper noisy. So yeah, let's just move on to this haul. I'm going to show you the jewelry pieces first. So these little earrings are only $5.99 and I love the way they look. They are like a little chain detail and they're not like super chunky, so they are like a thinner chain hoop. I've been really into like little smaller hoops lately, so when I saw these I had to get them, and I just love the little like link detail. Super cute. I love buying H&M jewelry because it's super inexpensive. Now H&M jewelry doesn't last forever because it's not like gold plated or real gold or anything like that, but it does last for a decent amount of time. So I feel like $5.99 for a pair of earrings that's going to last you a couple months is a pretty good deal. Next up we have this set of rings. So I'm trying to give you like a better look of it. So this has a bunch of rings that you can stack or wear by themselves. I was drawn to these rings because of these 3 right here. I thought they were super pretty. I love H&M rings. I don't feel bad if I lose one or anything like that because they're so inexpensive and you get a bunch of them on here. This one also has like a little chain one right here. They have like little daintier ones, so I love getting their rings. I always buy rings from H&M. The first pair of pants I wanted to show you are these pants, which are so cute on. I was drawn to them because of this color. I don't have anything in this color. You guys know I love this stretchy waistband, which is always a plus because it accommodates your body depending on if you lose weight, you gain weight, you can still fit into these pants because of how stretchy they are. It does have a button here and a zipper here as well. The pockets here are functioning. It does have pockets in the back as well. And I would say this fits like a mom jean, so you can roll the bottoms as well. I think that's a really cute look. And they're light to medium weight as well, so they're not like super thin where you're scared everything is gonna show through. So they have enough thickness to them so you don't have to worry about that problem. They're high-waisted and I just really love the fit of these, and these were inexpensive. These are $24.99, so this is a pretty good price for these because they fit so much nicer than I thought. So H&M doesn't allow you to try on the clothes yet. I don't know if that goes for all of the H&Ms, but the one I went to, you're not allowed to try anything on, so I was a little bit scared when I purchased everything, but I love the way this fits. I highly recommend it. It's very affordable, lightweight, so it's perfect for the hotter weather. So next up we have these flowy black pants. This is the bottom, so it's more of like a straight leg style. These are light to medium weight, and again, it's not too lightweight, meaning you're going to see everything through it, so I like the material on these. This part here is stretchy. There are no buttons, there are no like strings or anything like that. It does have pockets on both sides, and the back of it is just plain as well. This is going to look so nice with any pair of sandals you have. It's going to look good with any top. I feel like this would look really nice with the Amazon hat I showed you in my previous Amazon video. I will link it down below if you're interested. I feel like this paired with a really nice beige pair of sandals would look super cute. Also, I feel like this is perfect for the beach. You can use it as like a beach cover up as well. I feel like this is the perfect like vacation pant. You can also pair this with some heels for like a dinner date. You can create so many different looks with just this one pair of pants. Like one day you can do like a boho chic look, the next day you can do like a sleek look with like a fitted like bodysuit and like your hair slicked back, something like that. So these pants, the options for outfits are endless. Next up is this top in an extra large, and I definitely stepped out of my comfort zone for this top because you guys know I don't usually go for really bright colors, but something about this one just drew me to it. I love this style, you guys. I don't know what this style is called, where it's just like the sleeves are like this. I'm obsessed with it lately. I think it looks so like, I don't know, it just looks so pretty on. So it has it on that side as well. It does have a square neckline, and it does have like a little peplum style down here as well, and this part here is stretchy. The pattern continues on the back. Again, this is another light to medium weight material, but I would say more on the light side. It does have like a little puffy sleeve right here. I'm unsure if I could have gotten away with a size large. I feel like the extra large is just a tad bit big on me, but I mean, it's not that big of a deal. This was very affordable as well. This was only $19.99. I'm just trying to show you a closer look of the little floral detail. Very cute. I don't know, something about this color just like drew me to it. So I stepped out of my comfort zone again and got a colorful top. The color on this one is like a peach and pink color, like a coral color. Very pretty. I love how lightweight it is. So there's a button here, so you can undo this and roll up your sleeve, which is something I am most likely going to do because we are getting into warmer weather. I love this little knot detail there. It is adjustable, so you can adjust it to your liking. I don't know, I just thought it was super pretty and would look so cute with any pair of jeans. You can definitely pair this with shorts as well. It's going to look really nice with shorts. I don't know, this color again, it just drew me in. I don't know what it was, but H&M looked so colorful that I was just drawn in, like I couldn't resist it. Next up is this crop shirt for $12.99, so this one is really affordable. This one also comes in other colors, but I chose this one with the blue stripes because I felt like it looked more classic. You can wear this with dress pants if you're looking for something to wear into the office with some like high-waisted skirts or high-waisted dress pants. This would be perfect, so you wouldn't have to worry about tucking it in and forming like a little bulge around that area. You know, when you tuck in your shirt and it's too long, it does create that like bump. You wouldn't have to worry about that with this shirt. This one is lightweight again. The buttons are functioning, so you can again undo the buttons and roll up the sleeve, pair it with some jewelry, bracelets. I think that would look super pretty. That is what the back of it looks like. I just thought it was cute because you can dress it up, like I said, to go into the office, or you can wear it casually with just jeans and shorts as well. Next up is this little crop shirt, which was $19.99, and this is an extra large as well. I really did not need another shirt like this because I feel like I have two of these in my closet already, or two of them that are very similar, because this one had the little strap here. I couldn't help myself. This one also has an adjustable strap. So the other one that I have, the other ones that I have are off the shoulder. So, you know, this one is just convenient that it has a strap. So this one is also lightweight. I love the little cinched detail here. So this part here you can undo and make it a little bit shorter, or you can make it longer depending on how you're feeling that day. This is going to go perfect with, again, any bottoms, skirts, shorts, jeans. This would also look really nice with trousers for a more casual look. The bottom does flare out a little bit, like a little peplum style. Very pretty. I'm probably going to wear this out to dinner this weekend because I really like this and I just want to wear it, and I'll probably pair it with some like high-waisted black jeans. Next up we have this boxy flowy satin shirt. This is in a size large. This was $19.99. And this is the first shirt I saw when I walked into the store. I saw something like this on another YouTuber's channel. I can't remember who it was, but it was a while ago. And she had on something like this and it looked so pretty. So I had to get this one and try it on. I don't know how I feel about it on me. I like it, but I don't love it. But I do love the material. It just moves very pretty. It's kind of like a pajama top, but not really. This one to me is definitely more of a spring shirt because of the material. You might feel a little bit hot, so just keep that in mind. But it is beautiful. It kind of looks like silk, but it's not. It's definitely more affordable. I feel like it's one of those shirts where you either love it or you hate it. And last up is this t-shirt. I had to get a t-shirt, and this one says Nirvana on it. It has this little graphic right here. This is in a size extra large, and this is $17.99, and I love the way that the material feels on this one. It feels very nice. It feels like good quality. It is like a little scoop neck here, and it's definitely a more oversized tee, so you can pair this with some biker shorts. You can roll it up, tuck it in, whatever you like. I just love the oversized look of tees. I just think it looks a little bit more flattering than like a tight fitted tee with like tight arms. I'm not against it, I'm just not for it. I don't think it's very flattering, but when you have like a looser sleeve, I think it just looks nicer and sleeker on any body type. I did roll the sleeve up, so it can be unrolled. It's not like stitched that way. I just prefer the look of a t-shirt with a rolled sleeve. If I can roll up the sleeve, if it looks good, I will definitely do it. As you can see, the back of it is plain. I just thought it was a cute graphic tee. This is the first one that I found that I actually like 10 out of 10. It's perfect. I don't know if this is men's or women's, but this was in the women's section, so I do feel like this is women's, but I feel like it can work for men's as well. So it's pretty much like a unisex t-shirt in my opinion. But yeah, I really like this one, and yeah, that's the last piece I had to show. So that wraps up this quick little H&M haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. It really does help me out. Again, everything will be linked down below in my description box, and please don't forget to check out my friend's website. She has some really great stuff. Check out her website, DM her if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!